Hi, this is Tim Weskey on behalf of expertvillage.com. In this clip, we're going to now add to the regular clothing the electric clothing. There's special things that you do need in both the saber and the foil. The epee, you don't really need the lame objects that I'm going to be showing you. First of all, you'll need to get a body cord. A body cord hooks up to your weapon. This particular one is called a bayonet body cord. If you can come in on that, you can see that there's a little square right here which hooks up into the square box. They come together, push in, and then turn, securing the body cord to the weapon. Now the weapon has a point up front with a little button, and when that's depressed, it sends a signal from a wire through the blade into this socket into the body cord. The body cord wraps around over your shoulder and inside and under your glove. It's like Chris has on right here. Here's his body cord coming out of the hole in his glove, little hole made there, and hooking up to his bayonet socket. Okay? Body cord then is running up through his sleeve, and as you can see, here it is going over the top of his shoulder. It comes out his backside here. All right? This part will hook into what you'll see in a moment called a floor reel. Hook right into it, which will complete the connection. This is called an alligator clip, which goes on the side and has to connect or ground the lame, ground to the lame to complete the signal for certain colored lights to go on. This particular lame right here, vest, is for foil. And so what it does is it covers the area. Basically, it's very, very simple. It just covers the area of target. I mentioned it before when we talked about the target area. And as you can see here, anything up in the neck, here, groin, under the arms, and the back are all places to hit. So you know, whatever's there, whatever you hit, the light's going to go on. For saber, everything from the head, again, to the hands. So you have lame gloves, you have lame sleeves, and everything for the saber.